Good afternoon, World Cultural Festival!
We are one world family. Let's create more happiness in society. Let's bring more smiles and wipe tears.
Washington, D.C., right now, look at the art of living.
Culture brings the world together. Just like all of you here today, I commend Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar's inspiring vision of unity, diversity. Thank you for your actions.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Beautiful for spaciousness, for amber waves of rain.
I want to thank the World Culture Festival organizers and the Art of Living Foundation for choosing to come to Washington, D.C.
I congratulate the Art of Living, who, under the inspiration and guidance of Gurudev, have brought us all together this evening. One earth, one family, and one future is represented so well today before us culturally.
Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
What a beautiful transformation of the National Mall for this incredible occasion. I want to say first to Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, how grateful I am to you for the deep wisdom that you've shared with the world and for bringing us together.
To have peace, we need inner peace. To communicate peace, we need live in peace. And to live in peace, we need the art of living.
Sarvamangalam bhavatu bhavatu bhavatu. Sarvamangalam bhavatu bhavatu bhavatu. United we celebrate. United we congregate.
Gurudev Sri Sri, thank you for what you believe in. Thank you for your belief in unity. Thank you for your effort to bring people together from all over the world. Thank you for what you've done for others and bring us all together.
We were on the mall here in Washington, and Washington, D.C., right now, look at the art of living. I started to tell my good friend Sri Sri, maybe we need to change the name of the art of living to the art of living proof, because we're proving that you can love, you can care, you can have compassion.
there's one country in the world that has to be in total gratitude with you, is mine. Because peace in Colombia wouldn't have been possible. You convinced the rebels of the FARC to walk the path of the Gandhian principle of nonviolence.
My dear husband, Shinzo Abe, he is present here today in spirit. When Gurudev visited Japan and requested him to continue to spread happiness to the people of Japan, meditation has given me immense inner strength.
Can you hear me? Sound stretched is music. Movement stretched in rhythm is dance. Mind stretched is meditation. Life stretched is celebration.
If there were an alien that landed on this earth and they said, "Take me to your leader," I would point them to Sri Sri Ravi Shankar.
This idea of forging common bonds is, of course, what this festival and the art of living is all about.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. To our beloved Gurudev and his distinguished body here, we greet you all with the greetings of peace. Assalamu alaikum.
Peace on earth is being built right now from Washington, D.C. I belong to you, we all belong to each other, and the world deserves the art of living.
One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright.
I want to thank Gurudev for bringing us together here in Washington, and I want to thank him for the wonderful inspiration and work that he does, helping millions of people in over 100 countries around the world.
This culture festival is a huge manifestation of people's demand for culture and religious diversity.
You represent truly love, joy, and peace. A true ambassador of peace and culture. You are the light which is shedding upon humanity. Gurudev has been working for peace more than any other politician all over the world.
Let us all partner and collaborate to address global challenges as one single global family in the true spirit of Vasudev Kutumbakam.
We embrace Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Guruji and his massive vision that he has for us. The vision of diversity, but not just diversity. The vision of inclusivity, but not just inclusivity, but divine appreciation for each and every being on this planet.
Isn't this absolutely wonderful? Hundreds of thousands of people around, tens of thousands of artists from all corners of the globe, and they all come together to celebrate an age-old Indian idea, the idea of oneness.
Asatoma Satamaya Yamasoma